Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Neetu and I welcome you all in my simple way. Today we are going to start a new chapter of class 9th NCERT, second chapter, that is matter around us pure matter. As we already have learned in first chapter of the same class that what the matter is. Okay, uh, every material or whatever we see in our surrounding, whatever the material we see in our surrounding are made up of matter, okay, which are basically present in three forms, that are solid, liquid, gas. Means whatever we see in our surrounding are either in solid, liquid or in gas form. Okay, means basically we see the things in three form, that are solid, liquid and gas. Okay, but the question is, are the things which we see, which we use in our daily life pure? Pure. Why we always are worried about the purity of substance? Why we need always best? And does we really get the best? Does we really have the pure substances? Like if we go to any grocery shop, first we will notice about the purity mark for our satisfaction. After seeing that purity mark, we get satisfied in now the substance or the things which we are taking is pure. Then we just check out the ingredients, that is there any adulteration or not. Means overall any adulteration confirms that the substance is pure or not. Means according to the common people, adulteration confirms whether the substances or the things we are using in our daily life are pure or not. But really the adulteration only the reason uh, which confirms that whether the things are pure or not? No. According to scientists, adulteration is not only the reason about the impurity of any substances. Okay, as we know that every material or every matters, okay, every matter is made up of small teeny particles, okay, which we already have learned in first chapter. If you still haven't watched, then please go and watch my first chapter of the same class. Okay, uh, in that chapter we have learned about the particles, that every matters, like uh, every matters are made up of small particles. Okay, small particles, and this small particles actually confirms whether the substance or the matters is pure or not. Now you must would be worried about that, how the particles confirms, okay, that the material is pure or not. Okay, so as we know that everything is made up of matter, like see, this is a material and this is the particles, okay, small tiny particles. Okay, here another material, and in this also there are small tiny particles. Okay, this is small tiny particles. I'm giving some more color. Okay, so there are two matters, okay, and both the matters are made up of small tiny particles. Okay, but can you differentiate between these two matters? Can you? Yes. As we can see that the first one is made up of same type of particles, okay, in which I have given the particles or draw the particles only in a single color, okay. But if we notice about the second particle, second matters, we will see there are more than one color of particles. Is it visible? Yes. So here we see that there are many particles, okay, or the different types of particles inside the second matters, and in first matters there are only single types of matters, okay. Means the it has single type of matter, single types of particles, okay. Here it's more than one type of particles, okay. Different colors indicates that there are different types of particles, and a single color indicates that here it's only one type of particles. So here's a single type of particles, means the chemical property or the property of that single types of particle would also be the same, isn't it? And here if it's different types of particles, means the chemical property or the property of the particles must be different, isn't it? So this only confirms according to scientists, according to science, okay, the particles of particular substances, whose chemical properties are same, then only it would be known as pure substances, okay. And if the particle of particular substances whose chemical properties are not same, then it would not be pure substances, okay. So did you understand that what the actually meaning of purity? According to scientists, purity means the substances or the material or the matter whose particles having the same chemical property, okay. If the chemical properties of the particles of the particular substances are not same, then it wouldn't be the pure substances, okay. So hope you will understand that the adulteration is not only the reason about the impurity of any substances, but the chemical property of the substances indicates that whether that particular substance is pure or not. For example, salt, okay, salt, sugar, okay. The particles of salt and sugars are having the same chemical property. That's why they are pure, okay. The chemical property of the particles of the sugar and salts having the same chemical properties, that's why they are pure. But if this salt or sugar, this salt like NaCl, is dissolved in water, if mixed with water, then after mixing with water, this salt or NaCl, sodium chloride, wouldn't be the pure, okay. As we can separate NaCl, sodium chloride from water by the process called evaporation, but after mixing NaCl, why? Because the particles of NaCl, salt, and the particles of water molecules get mixed, Okay, that's why their chemical property get also changed, and that's why they aren't pure. But if there would be any only salt or sugar, then this would call be as pure. Okay, but this is not pure, means more than one particles present in any substance is not pure. Okay, like that, alloy. Alloy is nothing but mixture of more than one type of metals. Okay, like brass. Brass is mixture of copper and zinc. Brass utensil we used in our daily life, but this is also not pure. This is also mixed with two type of matter. Like that, many metals, hard, liquid or gases we use in our daily life are not pure. Like soda water, cold drink. Okay, where the uh, gases are mixed. Okay, like that, milk is also not pure, as many things are present in milk. That's why this is also not pure. Okay, so there it's about purity. Okay, now you must would have clear about the purity, that the adulteration only not reason behind the purity, as we check out in our daily life. Okay, now the next is type of mixture. Okay, type of mixture is mixing of more than one type of ingredient or substances. Okay, for example, this is glass. Okay, and I'm putting some water in the glass. Okay, see, I've taken the water in the glass, and this is salt. Okay, see, this is salt. So I'm putting this salt inside the glass and mixing slightly. See, here the water and the salt particle which I have mixed. Okay, but can you see any salt particle inside the water? Can you see clearly the salt particle? No, as the salt particle is completely got mixed with the water, so we cannot separately see the water as well as the water particles as well as the salt particles separately. Okay, both get mixed and we can only see that there is only water. Okay, is it visible? Okay, so uniformly they are mixed. Okay, they are not separate. We cannot see separately both the things like salt and water. Okay, so this type of mixture is called as homogeneous mixture. The mixture where the substances get uniformly mixed. Okay, is called as homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. So the mixture which have uniform composition. Okay, uniform composition means the substances which are mixed in water get completely dissolved, that we cannot see them separately. Okay, so it's homogeneous mixture. Now the second is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, again I'm taking some water in a glass. Okay, and here's tea. Okay, I'm putting some tea inside the water. Okay, so can you see the tea particles or the water separately? Yes, we can see the tea as well as the water separately. Okay, means it doesn't get dissolved completely. Okay, see, can we see? Yeah, we can see the tea as well as the water separately, so they don't get uniformly mixed. Okay, so this is, or this type of mixture in which the two particles can be visible separately, we can see both the substances separately. Okay, so this is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so the heterogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture is the mixtures which have non-uniform composition and the substances can be separately visible. Okay, so is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous means uniform mixture where we cannot see the substances which we have mixed together separately, but in heterogeneous mixture we can see the substances which we mixed which we have mixed can see separately. Okay, so that's all about today's class. Next part we will study in next video. Till then, keep watching, keep supporting. Bye bye, take care, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.